This is a brand new 2014 BMW 3 Series. This car has an 8-speed automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, BMW apps, a heated steering wheel with audio controls, a sunroof, heated seats, speed-sensitive volume controls, a blind spot warning system, high-intensity headlights, a smartphone adapter, commercial-free satellite radio, Dakota leather upholstery, a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: BMW Assist, Comfort Access, Cruise Control, BMW Individual Composition, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, side impact airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button. And the rain-sensing windshield wipers can turn on automatically if their sensor identifies water on the windshield. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.